In Lesson 1, we will explore relative differences in the kinds of forces an object can experience and start to build their understanding that a force can be either a push or a pull. The goal of today's lesson is to recognize that forces, which occur, often in combination, at almost all times in our daily lives, cause changes to the motion of objects. These are few core vocabulary we will come across in Lesson 1. Direction, noun, means a path along which something moves. Motion, noun, means the process of an object changing position. Push, verb, means the application of a force with the intent to move something away from the source of the force. Strength, noun, means the amount of force applied to an object. Force, noun, it means a push or a pull. Pull, verb, means the application of a force with the intent to move something toward the source of the force. Speed, noun, this means the rate at which something moves. These pictures are image of the Sailing Stones of Death Valley National Park near the border of California and Nevada. It is the driest and lowest place in North America. Although no one has ever seen them moving, people have observed evidence that large rocks move across the desert ground, seemingly by themselves. They even leave trails behind them. What might cause a rock to move? A force made those rocks move. What is a force? A force is a push or a pull. Let's demonstrate a push and a pull and see what happen. Take a book and put it in front of you on the table. Push it across the desk. What happens to an object when you give it a push? A push makes an object move away. Now, pull the book. What happens when you give it a pull? A pull makes an object move closer or follow the direction of the pull. What causes the Sailing Stone of Death Valley to move? Wind, water, and ice. In 2014, time-lapse photography revealed the rocks moved when rain formed a pond that froze overnight, creating a sheet of ice. Wind slowly pushed the rocks forward as the ice melted under them. The force of the wind caused the rocks to move, leaving a trail behind them. Think about how you start your day. You wake up and push yourself out of bed. You pull a box from the shelf and pour cereal into a bowl. You lift a milk carton and pour the milk. Then you pull a spoonful of cereal to your mouth. You might not wake up thinking that you are using forces, but you are. A force is a push or a pull. Each time you push or pull something, you use a force. Every time something starts to move, stops moving, or change direction, forces are involved. Can you think of at least 5 ways pushes and pulls affect your daily lives? Example you might have done: push and pull door open, pull your socks on, push your mother out the door.